everyone, welcome back to the Autocar Mods Meet the 2026 Mini Camper Van, a bold step into lifestyle mobility from a brand known for fun, funky cars. It's small, stylish, surprisingly capable, and built for people who want their everyday drive to be an everyday adventure. Mini camper van cruising through scenic landscapes, coastal roads, mountain curves, and forest trails. Walk-around footage showcasing the design: LED front fascia, contrasting roof, rugged wheels, cladding, rear hatch. Stepping inside, adjusting the seats, showing how the space transforms. This is where the mini camper van really shines, in its clever interior layout. It's designed for two, and everything is multifunctional. The cabin converts quickly. By day, it's a comfy lounge with a swivel table, twin captain chairs, and a couch. By night, it transforms into a full flat double bed, with privacy curtains, blackout shades, and overhead storage. A compact kitchenette with induction cooktop, stainless steel sink with water tank, 35-liter electric fridge/freezer combo, built-in fresh water and gray water storage tanks, pop-up roof with mesh ventilation and optional second sleeping berth, fold-out outdoor table built into the rear tailgate. You've even got touch-controlled LED lighting, USB-C charging ports, and a solar-powered battery backup system that can power your fridge and lights for up to 48 hours off-grid. Now under the hood, let's talk about how it drives. It's still a Mini at heart, so don't expect a lumbering RV experience. The 2026 Mini Camper Van offers two powertrain options: a plug-in hybrid, PHEV, that pairs a 1.5L turbocharged 3-cylinder engine with an electric motor for a combined range of about 280 miles, or the all-electric model, with a dual-motor setup and up to 310 miles of real-world range on a single charge. 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 7.2 seconds. Top speed, 100 miles per hour. Regenerative braking with one-pedal drive mode. Let's talk design. Mini has always been about personality, and this van is no exception. From the front, you still get those iconic circular LED headlights, that smiling grille, and bold color accents. But everything else is reimagined for utility and outdoor adventure. Coming in at just under 4.6 meters, about 15 feet, long, the mini camper van keeps that maneuverable city-friendly footprint. But it's got a boxier rear section, a higher roofline, and a functional tailgate that opens up to your mobile living room. Rugged 17-inch all-terrain wheels, matte black plastic body cladding for off-road protection, pop-top roof for added headroom and sleeping space. Optional solar panel array on the roof for eco-friendly off-grid charging. Mini's new signature LED tail-light Union Jack pattern. Technology in the 2026 Mini Camper Van doesn't disappoint. At the center is Mini's latest circular OLED infotainment display, which includes built-in navigation with campsite and EV charger locator, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Mini's new voice assistant that lets you control cabin temperature, lights, and even open the tailgate hands-free. You even get a 360-degree surround view camera system, which is a lifesaver when you're backing into tight campgrounds or parking spots. Fits in regular parking spots, no commercial license required. Designed for both urban stealth camping and rural adventures. Optional off-grid package with extra battery capacity and 300W solar system, starting at just $47,950 PHEV and $53,900 EV. The 2026 Mini Camper Van isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle enabler. It delivers on Mini's promise of playful design and fun driving, but now with room for two, a bed, a kitchen, and the open road. Thanks for watching. Like this review. Subscribe for more EV and adventure vehicle reviews.